Now, it's not usual for me to endorse an individual private label rights creator, but in the past, I have dealt with this gentleman in the past, and I've actually given him a video testimony about a previous product that he had created. Now, I discovered that he had created another one, and I thought I'd just check it out. And as I was checking it out, I noticed something, and that really tickled my fancy. And I was quite, well, you know what? I'm actually going to endorse this because I've actually bought the front end product, and I have to say, I really am impressed. Now, it's a private label rights product. Now, as I said, I don't normally endorse individual private label right creators, but in this particular case, I am. And the product that he's created, I'll show you in a minute or two. But right now, I just want to introduce you to the fact that he is somebody who I will endorse because I know the quality of his products. Years ago, when I was checking out his product, I was watching and reading through what he was doing, and I actually learned quite a bit out of it. So that's one of the reasons why I'm particularly endorsing this gentleman named Raj. Now, with that in mind, I just want to let you know that I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks here to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, let's go check it out. Allow me to introduce you to Rajinder, or Raj as he likes to be known. Now, he is a private label rights creator, and I met him on a Facebook group with the coach who I am with, who is John Thornhill. And by the way, if you want to be able to get a really great coach, his link will be down in the description down below. Now, just to let you know that the name of the product that we're going to be looking at today is Faceless Marketing Masterclass. I was having a look at some of the product today, and I have to say I am impressed. I was really tickled when I was looking through the sales page, because as I was scrolling through and having a bit of a look around and so forth, I came across something I wasn't expecting. Recognize that, young gentleman? That's right, that's me. I was giving Raj a shout out a few years ago, and he's decided to continue to use this. Now, I'm happy to endorse him because I know the quality of his products. So for that reason, I'm not at all upset that he has decided to keep that on there. Now let's have a bit of a quick listen to what I was saying.
Hey guys, this is just a shout out for Rajinder and Side Hustle Profits. I have to say, it is a really well put together product. I actually learned something from it. Now, I've been online for quite a few years now, and I wasn't really expecting to learn anything major from this. But, I did actually learn a couple of little things from it, and that's what you want when you've got a product that you're trying to sell or put together as a PLR product, because you want to be able to find something which is going to have some real...
I'm not going to go through the full 48 seconds, but the fact of the matter is I do endorse it because the stuff he teaches is really solid. And I was reading through one of the PLR the product that he was selling this time, and I've learned stuff already. And I'm like going, oh my gosh, this is really cool. So I'm more than happy to endorse and recommend Raj's product, Faceless Marketing Masterclass, because it is amazing. Now, if you want to have a look at the product, let's have a quick look at it. Now, I've only bought the front end of it, but they also have various other back ends as well, which will be the video course with this as well, and other products as well. So let me just quickly bring that up for you so that we can have a look at what's actually in it. Now, first of all, this is a proper private label rights. So you do get a proper private label rights license, which is this over here. Now, you can't sell the private label rights license, but you can sell it you can sell the master resale rights, and you can sell the resale rights. So it's not an issue. So just get rid of that. And we can also have a look at the various licenses they have here. So this is Pinnacle PLR, Private Label Rights Masterclass. Okay, so that's that one. So we know we have the rights to be able to edit it and do what we want to do with it. So let's go and have a quick look at the actual premium guide itself. So over here, look at the actual PDF version of it. And we'll have a bit of a scroll through, and you can see it's got the various modules and so forth. Now, I've had a bit of a read through this. I haven't read all the way through, but from what I've seen so far, I'm extremely impressed. Now, what the whole premise of the book is about marketing without showing your face. Say, for example, you don't really want to be seen by people because of, you think about privacy and so forth, and you want to have privacy. You have privacy issues. You don't want to have your face strewn all over the internet. This is going to teach you how to be able to do all that, and teach you how to actually get out there and be a marketer without having to show your face. Now, that is going to be very appealing for a lot of people. I know when I was first starting out, that would have been appealing to me. But to be quite honest, I love being a YouTuber, and I love doing what I'm doing, so it's okay now. So let's go and have a look at what else is here. They also have, obviously, the source file, which is the actual Word document that you can edit and change and make it any way you like it. Now let's have a quick look at how big this is. This goes for 67 pages, so it's full of meat. 67 pages long. That's pretty good. Now, another thing you have to look at is, we'll have a look at what else they've got. They've got checklists, and checklists are always really good. We'll have a quick look at that one through here. And you can have a look at the various things there if you wish to. We'll go over here and have a look at the mind map. We'll have a quick look at what the mind map's like. Okay, so as you can see, I might shrink that down a little bit so you can see it a bit better. So as you can see, that's actually quite intense. There's quite a lot involved. And I probably would do it a little bit differently to that, but he's put a lot of information in that mind map, which is fantastic. So if you want to really read it, you want to have to come up close to it like that so you can actually read each part as you go through. So yeah, that's the mind map. And you also have the rights to change that as well, because you also get the source file and you can change that up yourself. It does have some links to the actual free mind map software as well. But if you want to know about different free mind maps, so I'll leave a link up in the description up above in the card, so that you can actually find that out for yourself. I've got better ones than FreeMind. Now, we also have over here the resources. Now, the resources is a good idea. It's actually something you can put your own affiliate links into if you want to create something like this. You can go in here and have a look at all these original ones, and then you can add your own affiliate links inside these links here, which is fantastic. So that's just another way for you to be able to get income when people decide to click on it and purchase from that. So it becomes like an affiliate link for you. All right, what else can we do? Over here, we now have ready-made sales sheet. Now, if you want to, I would highly suggest, if you want to look at it, you can have a look at the sales sheet. I always like to look at the images first. And the reason I do that is oftentimes, if you don't, the page doesn't load properly. So by doing that, you at least get a chance to have the page load properly. So now let's go to the index HTML, and we can have a look at the actual sales page. So it's professionally put together and it looks fantastic. Now, of course, you can edit all of this in HTML editors like Composer or whatever ones you might want to have. Or you can just copy and paste the information here and pop it into a WordPress website, which is what I would highly recommend you do instead. Just copy and paste all of this and pop it straight into that. That would be a much better way of doing it. Now, what else you can do? Let's go back over here. You got your lead magnets and opt-in pages. So obviously you have your lead magnet just here. Let's have a quick look at that. Step-by-step guide, 10 ways to excel in faceless marketing. So we're sticking with the theme of faceless marketing, which is fantastic. Well, let's have a look at the lead magnet first. Let's have a look at the actual opt-in page right here. Have a look at the images. Quick look at that, so we can get an idea as to what we're looking at. Okay, now we're going to go to the index page just so as it'll open up properly. Okay, so there you have it. And if you want to, you can have it name and email. It's up to you how you want to do it. But in this case, it's just email. Once again, you can copy all this sort of stuff. Now, I would highly suggest that you change the images if you want to. You can keep the basic premise, but I would strongly suggest change the name and do all that kind of stuff, because if you don't, it's going to look like everybody else's. So you really do need to change it up. Let's go and have a quick look at the next one. High quality professional graphics. Okay, let's have a quick look here. Okay, so that's just the graphics that come with it. Now you can use that. Usually, oftentimes, these can be, I mean, these are just PNGs. That's okay. Oftentimes they will give you ones that you can edit in Photoshop and places like that. You also have some articles that you can use. You've got 10 articles that you can use, and I would highly suggest that if you have these articles, that you change them up and make them unique to you. Probably put them into ChatGPT and get ChatGPT to not only rewrite it, but to expand on it as well, so that you can create your own product on top of that. Let's go back onto the next one. You got your email swipes. Now they're always really handy to have as well, because email swipes are basically, it's going to help you to not have to worry about thinking about what you have to come up with. You don't have to think about all the, where to put the links and what to write or anything like that. Usually they're great for sales swipes, for sales letters and so forth. For sales email. Usually they're really good for sales emails and things like that if you're wanting to sell your product to your email list. And also over here, you got your social media pack, which will most likely have lots of images that you can then upload onto places like Facebook, Instagram, all those kind of places. And of course, you've got your license. So, as I said, I highly recommend Raj, because Raj is somebody I have been endorsing for years. And proof of the pudding is this video. The fact that I'm on front and center on the page. And as you can see, that's my name. And I'm more than happy to endorse somebody who I believe in. One more thing too, the price. Now the price currently is $15.70, but it goes up with every sale. So be aware of that, the longer you wait, the more you're going to have to pay. So I would highly strongly suggest get in now before the price goes up too high and too fast. So as I said, link will be in the description down below, and it's not every day that I actually endorse individuals. This gentleman is worth it. And this is called Faceless Marketing Masterclass. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this product. Also too, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here, well, that's an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.